Test 2026. Fire on!
Lahat may straight dance habang nasa ano. Kasi isang tabi kami. Ako sumasayaw ngayon. Bigyan tayo happy.
Magandang hapon po sa inyong lahat.
Magandang hapon, madam.
So sa ngalan po ni na Boss Sir Tracy at Sir June, nalugod na po kayo binabati ang bawat isa sa inyo kasama ang ating mga judges, ang ating mga malalahong, ang ating musicians, at mga panaunin natin ng maliliit na bata at budawan, ano? Maligayang pagdating po dito sa ating school. Ang araw na ito ay hindi lamang tungkol sa pagkakaisa at pagmusin ng medalya. So, higit sa lahat, ito ay patiliwang na magpapakita ng ating pagkakaisa, disiplina at sportsmanship. Sa bawat laro na ating mga sasalihan, naway mapakita natin ating respeto sa isa't isa at ang pagiging patas at ang tunay na diwa ng pagiging isang unan or member ng ating team. Sa pamamagitan ng sports fest na ito, ibinibigyan natin ng pagkakataon ng bawat isa na magpakita ang kanilang kakayahan, lakas at determinasyon. Ngunit tandaan natin, ang tunay na tagumpay ay hindi lamang masusukat sa panalo, kundi sa pagsisikap, pakikipagtulungan at magandang asa sa loob at labas ng ating mga laro. So, welcome po and thank you po, judges, for coming here. And let's begin our sports test. Maraming salamat.
Manunumpa ng Mindanao. Itaas po ang kamay para tayo manumpa. Kami ang mga manlalaro ng 2026 Excel Sport Fest ay nang
Ate, sayawan mo na eh. Sayawan mo. Ayan, okay. Sa mga nang establish, Madam Rachel, aming supervisor. Mga senior It's the very first importance in my job in company. Manila, nangyari na ito last year. Walang mama, but it's the very first time now. Collaborating with events, joy, celebrations, let every moment count. Wow, ang ganda naman ni Ma'am Judy, France. Ma'am Judy yun? Ma'am Judy, no? Ano pa artista? Ang ganda ni Ma'am Judy. Ma'am Judy France yun? France? Ang ganda naman. Artista yun si Ma'am Judy, oh. Ang ganda. Ang ganda, ma'am. Napakaganda mo. Okay, maganda Ma'am Judy, oh. Engineer, good friend, and aming kaibigan. Tamam. Finishing. I'm so sorry to my very own department. So, akala ko kasi meron na talaga. Nauna kasi sila nag-approach sa akin. Nakakaya naman, tatlong lalaki pa nag-approach sa akin cubicle mismo. I thought meron na sa aming department. So, I'm so sorry. So, ayan. So, later on, so, even I am Arina, Kalilit Master, I feel nervous. Humbly speaking, because I don't have any actual practice just on board. Okay, so I'm online. Minsan nga kagabi, puro ako talo sa online. Wala kasi akong tulog. So last few nights ago, okay, I won straight 20 times. But last night, I'm always lost. So ayan. So, let's enjoy the game and happy Spartans 2026.
It's time. Touch na lang.
So, Burgers Sports Star na tingnan natin for 3 years. This is all. May banda. Medyo yung banda. Kaganda ng mga guys natin, guys. Ate, sama ka. Sama na eh. Sama ako. Okay. Dapat ako comment. Collaboration, enjoy, immerse with one another. NCCI.
Of us. May this glow inspire every participant to give their best, to persevere through challenges, and to honor the values of sportsmanship and teamwork.
With this flame, we ignite not only the start of our games, but also the passion that drives us forward as one ECTI family.
By the power of this light, we declare the Sports Fest ablaze with energy,
Hope.
excellence.
Let the flame guide us and let the games shine bright.
Welcome everyone for the Sports Fest 2026.
26. Hello people of Excel. What shall I say? A blessed afternoon to all
Blessings.
athletes, players, marching with pride and determination. Elegance and grace on stage. 30% some beauty and poise. Team spirit and representation weighing out 25%.
Sa mga nagagandahan at nagugwapuhang mga hurad at manonood, nais ko pong magpakilala sa inyong lahat. This is one and only Hanajoy Pames and proud and loud representing kung saan walang babaero, kung saan wala ang pinaglalaban at higit sa lahat, mga strike management ng Barangay! Once again, this is Junior Star and I thank you!
Ang love ay parang go. Minsan zero, minsan sakto. Pero, pag ako ang nagmahal, sisiguraduhin ko, ikaw lang mismo. May isa pa. Matanda man ako sa inyong paningin, heto ako lumalaban at maakim pa rin. Sa inyong lahat, ako po si Crisel Sumadsat, taas mong nire-representa ang senior division ng Team Finishing. Ako po ay naniniwala sa kasabihan na dream big, work hard, stay focused, and surround yourself with good people. And I thank you. Galing sa grupo ng malalakas at hindi umaatras, this is Irish Maria Batina representing Junior Production! Representing the Senior Production! Naniniwala po ako sa kasabihan, simplicity is beauty. Again, isang magandang hapon! Ang sabi nila, masarap daw talaga sa pakiramdam yung mapunta ka sa tamang tao. Kaya, ano pang iniintay nyo? Logistics, warehouse, second floor. Andun lang ako. Ako ang si Jasmine Lee Taylusan mula sa Manufacturing Support Junior! Manufacturing Support Senior! Sweet guys, wala akong kasabihan pero meron akong munting paalala. Sa panahon ngayon, tandaan, nasubi na lang ang mahal, hindi kayo.
Guten! The spirit of joy and collaboration is there. The energy is electric. Stop! Yeah! Makulay, oh. Makulay, maningning. Energetic din. May laban. Meat production. So we're gonna have our very first podcast in our very company. So podcast 19, my birthday. My birthday. Ay, finishes kalaban ako ngayon. Ay, resistance. Sana maging committee kasi na-pressure ako maglalaro. Player din ako ng chess. And, okay, nandito na to. So, kailangan lang natin na ensayo ngayon. And so really glad ay nakasalubong ko si boss ang GC sa biometrics. Kumusta akong boss? Masaya daw ako. Okay lang boss, by God's grace. Nandun sa akin boss. Kailangan ko ngayon mag-jogging. Kasi wala na akong jogging guys, sticks. I guys, get your realize, kailangan natin mag-jogging ngayon. From here, it's the path to Enchanted Kingdom. Scratching the body. One. Next. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Ay. Sagat lang. Kailangan kasi kailangan huwag tayo magka-cardio. Hindi ko kaya. Jogging lang tayo. Just have one round. My God, we had 20% of calories burned today. Thank you, Iki. See you again. Uwi na. So, guys, butter is nice. It has jogging. Okay, it's beneficial to our health, for our all and our human being wellness. maintaining our human wellness, fostering our health, human body wellness. Ay po, ay sir, good evening po. Here we go. Bye, sir. Ayan. Guys. Guys, so it's our very first night as being a committee. So, hindi ako outdoor committee. Kasi committee tayo. Alamin ko na kung anong maitutulong ko doon. Kasi, hindi pa naman ako sanay ganyan sa ISO. Ay, say indoor ako. Kasi, sport chess. Pero since tonight is the very first night of the game, so we should attend. Let's see kung anong itutulong natin doon as being a committee. So we're here on the first night.
For free, wala. Wala po ni Padilla, for the footback, issue. Balala, inbound to Clemenia. Clemenia, may tanga ng bola para sa yellow team. Clemenia, setting up the ball. For the yellow team, pinasay
Wala, nag-jogging.
Pero paligid.
Sana all, nagutom kayo?
Ikaw, Mariam, hindi ka bibili.
Clemenia,
Ay, pagkain. 5 cents.
2,
Ay, tingin, ma'am.
24 seconds. Tanga ng bola para sa yellow team. Nasa kay Clemenia. Clemenia ngayon may tanga ng bola. Setting out. 1 minute and 42 seconds. Bruce Reyes. To Padilla. Padilla. For Latuga. Latuga ngayon. Oh, there's red ball.
Ayaw mo yan, sir. Sa akin, natapilo ko ko.
Sige, Petro. Pasok yan.
We're scoring now. Committee is there.
Yellow ball. Yellow ball.
Ang saya, guys. It's very hot.
Pinasakay France. Tumira.
Yes!
Wala. Rebound by Gesta. Gesta to number 13. Back to Gesta. Gesta.
3-3.
Tumira. Wala. Escudero. Tanga ng bola. Or the rebound. Para
Naluwa ko siya sobrang tawa.
ma-reserve natin ang timeout.
Malampas ang pula sa court. Sa ring. Ano naman, both side injury.
Throw. Pasok yan para kay Bruce Reyes.
Sama po kayo. Ay,
Okay guys, kamay-kamay muna tayo para masaya ang laban.
They did also bring them because they always wash your hands. Put on and cup and on. So ginagawa ko yun since I was 7 years old. I was grade school.